Okay, just another little test. This is with a fresh 36 volt battery. So let's see what this does. See if this improves the top speed anymore. Just a few months old. No, it's the same. So that hasn't made any difference. May have been going against the wind a little bit. Let's go around. So no difference. So it's not the battery age, because this one is just a few months old. Probably the knobbly tyres